Hello everyone, this is Ray. Today I'm going to give you a brief introduction to the experiment implementation. So first step, we're going to install oTree by the following link. So on this page, you're going to see how we're going to install oTree in either Windows system or Mac OS system. So for example, in Mac, you're going to follow these two steps. First, you're going to install a Python, or Anaconda will work as well. And then you're going to search for and open the terminal app by using the finger. And then you're going to run this command in the terminal. After doing that, you're able to use the oTree afterwards. Okay, then let's move on to the next step. The second step is to create a project in oTree Studio. Come back to the website and click Projects. As you can see, I have already created a new project. If you want to build a new project yourself, you can click this plus project button here. So just click it. And you see all these buttons are here with corresponding functions that you can use. Okay, after create a project in oTree Studio, we're supposed to create an app for our project. So click App. So basically here we can see also a plus app button, and click which we can also find a list of the app functions that we can use and embed them into the project. These are very simple model and template for apps. Later we will see we can just modify these parameters and use them very easily. But also you can design and write some code about more complex form of apps yourself, and it also works. So in this case, I will just use Chess app as an example. Okay, next step. After we have clarified our apps, we should also drag our app into the session configuration. It's also among the tabs. So click it and click this button. And now we are having a new session. So let's rename it. Let's just call it a chess game. Chess game, and clicking item below to edit it. That's just we have done before. So for example, we add chess into it. We're done with this step. So next, we are going to run our project. So how to run our projects? Let's click the download tab here. So first, we are going to download the oTree zip file. Okay. So we have this oTree file, and let's put it into this project file. Mark it in red. So we have already done this step. We have downloaded the oTree file and put in the folder where we want to start the server. And then we're going to open the terminal and run our command, this command in the terminal. Okay, so now we have this link, and by load this in our browser, we are able to start our game. You can see this trust game here and just click it, and it will like show us a full page of all the description, links, monitor data, payments, and news. All this information is just included. In the purpose of showing our work, I will just open this link, the split screen mode. I can see both participants' view of our game and also some statistic result of the game. So here comes the instruction of the game. So basically this is a screen for participant A, and this is for B. So let's click next. And for B it's also next. Because there is a order for the player to play first and second, so we can see for the player B, the second player, and the screen just shows please wait and waiting for the other participant. Participant A is supposed to give the first response. So for example, enter an amount of 0 to 100. We will just like input 50. Okay, so now for participant A, we are entering into a waiting stage, and participant B is now seeing this result. That's just a output of the participant A's choice. So now we have 150 points since participant B just received 50 points from A. Okay, so let's say send back 70. Okay, so both A and B get the results. And you can see the results also show in this monitor page. We can also see the data here. And if you want to look into more details, you can click this download as SCV or Excel, and it will download these files for you to look into more details and for further use. Okay. So the last step, we can definitely explore more by modifying parameters. So let's come back to oTree Studio, and app. How should we do if we want to modify some conditions in this game? So we click this chest, and there's some subtabs will appear. Let's just click on the constants. For example, here, if we change this 2 into 3, we then change the number of the players in each group. Or we can change the number of rounds. We can also change the initial endowment and also the multiplier. If we change this number to 5, for example, if A give B $50, it will not be $150 that B will receive. Instead, B will receive 5 times $50. It will be $250. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps you to have some basic idea of how oTree Studio can help you do this experiment implementation. And you can also seek to more information on the oTree website. Thank you.